Welcome to the course, Solving a System of Equations by Graphing. And what I want to do in this video is just kind of go over some of the things that you're going to need to know to be able to solve or complete this course successfully. So the first thing, solving a system of equations by graphing, you obviously are going to need to know how to graph, all right? And when dealing with talking about graphing, the main important thing that I think, as long as you can graph in slope-intercept form, that's going to be the preferred method. However, it is, also can be important is using your slope and intercept method. That means, set your x and your y equal to 0 and then solving to find your intercepts. But we're trying to find the exact point where two lines intersect. Using the slope-intercept form, I would say, is going to be the preferred method. So not only is just graphing in that method, but also, when you have something in ax plus by equals c, something in like in a standard form, being able to convert that to slope-intercept form, that's another important thing you need to know. So let's say rewriting forms. All right. Now, the next thing is, rather than just even understanding how to graph, it's also very important, so you're not always doing so much work, is also how to understand by inspection what types of graph you are. So if you can see that you have parallel or perpendicular or perpendicular lines, then you're going to be able to identify, hey, if they're parallel, they're never going to intersect, so I'm not going to have a solution. Or if they're perpendicular, if you can just identify by inspection that they're perpendicular, then you can see, oh yeah, they have exactly one solution. And also, sometimes we're going to have lines that are just going to be in different, are going to be changed up a little bit, but what you will be able to notice is that they're the exact same line, but just kind of hidden from each other. And that's going to be something that's going to come up in this course as well. We're going to talk about the types of solutions that you're going to have as far as type of systems as either being consistent or inconsistent, and the type of solutions as independent or dependent. So that's something we'll get to. I'm not going to be too concerned about that. But really the main important thing as far as solving a system is, one, you have to make sure you know how to graph. And then really once you learn how to graph and whatever way that works for you, then we're just going to be looking at where the solution is. Where do those two lines intersect? And that's how we're going to be able to identify the type of system and the solution that we have. So I really don't have a number 4. I just wanted to write it in there. But those are some of the basic things that you'll need to know to solve a system of equations by graphing. Thanks.